You just bought a brand new carbon steel paella pan and you're ready to make the ultimate Spanish feast. But stop. If you cook in this right now, your food will stick, your pan might rust, and your paella will be ruined. Today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to correctly scrub, seal, and season your paella pan so it lasts a lifetime and builds that perfect non-stick surface. Step 1 is the most important step for a new pan. Manufacturers coat these in a special industrial wax to keep them from rusting while shipping. You cannot eat this, we need to get it off. Use boiling hot water, plenty of dish soap, and a tough scrubbing pad. Scrub the front, the back, and the handles. This is the only time you will ever use soap on this pan. To be absolutely sure the wax is gone, fill it with water and bring it to a rolling boil for about 5 minutes. You might see the water turn a bit cloudy. That's the leftover coating lifting away. Once that's done, dump the water, rinse it out, and dry it completely with a towel. And I mean completely. Water is the enemy of carbon steel. Now, for the magic, put your dry pan back on medium-high heat. We want to open up the pores of the metal. Take a high smoke point oil, grapeseed or sunflower works best, and rub an incredibly thin layer all over the pan. Think of it like you're trying to wipe the oil off, leaving only a microscopic film. If it's too thick, it gets sticky. Let it sit on the heat until it starts to smoke. Notice how the metal is turning dark and bluish? That's exactly what we want. Rotate the pan so the edges get the same heat. Once the smoking stops, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Look at that beautiful patina. Your pan is now sealed and ready for your first paella. From here on out, never use soap, never put it in the dishwasher, and always wipe it dry immediately after washing. And hey, if you don't have one yet, you can get this pan and everything you need for your paella making at our website, iwantpaella.eu. We've got the authentic pans, the rice, the saffron, everything to get you started. And that is how you season a paella pan like a pro. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more cooking essentials